Hello, Homesteading Outlaws. I am wanting to share some ideas and thoughts about seeds and gardening and planting and give you some tips and see if it might help you in your gardening seasoning this year. So please come and join me as I talk about things and show you things, okay? So, here we are. I have a rubber barrel here. I have dirt in them. And I've used it all up already, and these are called cell planters, seed starters. I filled it up with dirt, put it on my table, and then I started putting my seeds in. This is a different one here. You can see it's a little bit deeper that, and it doesn't have a bottom tray to it, but that's fine. That doesn't matter. This here is from one day I bought some flowers on clearance at Walmart, and I just saved the container, and I'm just going to reuse it for starting some kinds of fruit, vegetables, or flowers. I'm not sure yet. These here are some containers. You can get them like 100 of them off of Amazon, very cheap. They're soft, and I just put them in this tray here because this tray here I bought came with some plants from Lowe's, and they just give you the whole flat that was in it, and that's just how I end up having them. And then I have these empty little trays here. I use those little cups, or I sit these in there too. So I use that. And over here you can see that I have some already done, planted to go, and these are some plastic shelving that you can get at Walmart or Tractor Supply. This one has a plastic cover over it that turns it into like a mini greenhouse. Some of them comes with them, some of them has been broken. So I'm just going to continue filling all these shelves up that I have. All these here, I have one shelf that broke, so I'm just going to set them on the ground like that, but it keeps from the grass or anything like that getting into it, which is good. And over here I have like an old Rubbermaid container here that the lid broke, and I've kept it to put the seed starts in, like you see that there, so that way the water can sit on the bottom of it and can absorb that, or you can put dirt in it or whatever you want to do. These are protein tubs here, and I like them for especially like for asparagus or even potatoes and stuff like that for that. And then these are just a mix match containers of things I've collected over the years, just different things. I've got them at yard sales, I've got them at clearance at the end of the year at Lowe's, Walmart, other places too, and I've just collected them and used them. I got much more, but this is just a little bit that I have. Now I went over to my garden and I counted how many rows that I have so far that it's already ready from last year, and how many holes that I have in each row, so I know exactly how many plants that I need to start. These are the plants that I have already started seeds on, so I know that already, so I have an idea of what I'm doing. Now, this is my big seed container here. See, it's a good size container. It has seeds from fruits, vegetables, and flowers and herbs in here, a little bit of everything. Now, seeds, you can have heirloom seeds, which that's what these are, and then you can have the non ones, or the GMO ones, or all kinds of different things that they have. So you just decide on what works for you. You can even cut a green pepper in half, save the seeds, dry them out and use them, including the cantaloupe, and I've done that too, no problems, and everything worked out fine. Now, whenever I do my seeds in the holes here, I always add at least a minimum of 2 seeds in each hole, because you never know, one may not take, and you have one as a backup. So that's about all the tips and tricks that I have up my sleeve right now today on all this seed stuff that I've been working on. And I just wanted to show y'all what I've been doing. And I started working on this Sunday. I started working on Saturday and Sunday. 2 days I've been working on this. I haven't been moving around all this stuff or anything. I've been having my son been doing it, Jonathan, y'all know him, and been doing stuff for me and helping me out to get my seeds starting. I'm just sitting on the picnic table and just doing my seeds, making my log of things to do. I have to clean up the garden still, I have to get it ready to put the seeds in. Some seeds, yeah, some seeds I do start straight into the garden. Some I do the seed starts like I'm doing now. I am running late this year, which I know I am, but that's fine. Better late than never at all. But that's fine, but it'll work out. And so I just wanted to share y'all on the journey that I'm doing this year with the seeds, and I hope you enjoy it, and God bless. Bye bye.